Hello, and thanks for joining us today. My name is Jason Hercules. I work with the U.S. Green Building Council, and I'm here with Ozzie Gonzalez from CH2M. And so, Ozzie, I wanted to start off with some questions today for you and get a sense of how your company embraces and takes on sustainability and, in its everyday operations, even its long-term plannings. How do you go about that?
Well, 70 years ago, our company was started by three civil engineers and one professor out of Oregon who decided to embark upon a journey of beginning bioremediation. They started restoring watersheds and environmental cleanup work before it was an industry. So fast forward that now 70 years, and we continue that legacy of leadership and embarking on new industries with initiatives such as our Green Infrastructure Program and our Great Cities Initiative, which are taking the world's most pressing challenges and turning them into a business model for us to bring solutions to the world.
That's great. And so, as you probably know, USGBC has started to broaden the scope of its work with sustainability more at a community level. So, even with systems like Peer and Sites and Well, we're starting to broaden our work into a community scale. So, are you doing the same? How are you broadening the scope of your work? And do you anticipate working with any rating systems beyond LEED?
Well, we have a pretty broad base of approaches in our sustainability work because we touch a lot of different dimensions of infrastructure around the world. And we've been involved in programs throughout the years that go outside of the built environment of buildings into infrastructure such as transportation with the development of the Green Roads program and into urban scale planning with the development of the Envision rating system. Both examples of programs that we've been instrumental in developing and as well as implementing into the marketplace.
All right, that sounds great. Well, tell me a little bit more about that green infrastructure initiative that you mentioned earlier. Is there anything that you're particularly proud of or that you want to share that was really interesting in that work?
Well, green infrastructure is not a new idea, but it's taking on a new level of importance in today's world with climate change and with concerns in the cities around being resilient. And green infrastructure has provided an opportunity to have a deeper conversation about the way in which mechanical systems interact with natural systems. And we are empowering nature and actually putting it to work to address some of those challenges around resilience.
That sounds great. So then, looking into 2017, are there any initiatives or any new work that you're looking forward to that you think will be impactful for your company?
There's a lot of great things on the horizon for CH2M. Internally, we've been able to streamline services across all of our different sectors to take advantage of expertise from one sector like transportation and feed it into other sectors like water stewardship. We're also been able to leverage technology in new ways to actually bring cohesive solutions to cities that can package full infrastructure solutions and make them operate in a way that is more sustainable and leverages today's technologies in new ways.
That sounds great. So we're here at Greenbuild in Los Angeles. What's been the most exciting part for you being here at Greenbuild? Have you taken part in any sessions, any events and activities that have really supported sustainability with your company?
Well, I'm really excited that USGBC chose Los Angeles for Greenbuild this year. I was born here and I have a long history of being in this city. I love this city, and it's great to see the city waking up once again and having an urban renaissance. But on top of that, this conversation around green building that's most exciting to me this year is about getting back to the people and recognizing that we are living systems inside of buildings, and the importance of health of the indoor environments is driving the conversation in very exciting ways.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you for joining me today. It's been great to talk to you about this, and I hope you're having a great Greenbuild.
I am. Thank you very much. It's great to talk with you.
All right, thanks.